Hiya, so we've got a bit of priming undercoat to do today. Bought this Zinsser Bulls Eye 123 interior and exterior, which is quite handy. Primer, sealer, stain killer just hides anything coming through. It says it covers and sticks to anything, right? So a bit of old varnish where we scraped down, wood filler. I've already done some on the MDF, as you can see here. It's covered it straight away, so I'll just load the brush up fairly well. Let's give it a fair chance. You're probably going to need a couple of coats, but does it stick to anything? Does it cover well? It certainly covered me then when it flicked off. Yeah, does what it says it does. I'm just putting what they call a mist coat on the moment, a real thin coat. So I just want to see all the blemishes as well where I've got to fill, because you can't see them otherwise. But yeah, it goes on real easy. Probably one of the easiest primers, undercoats I've used. Yeah, does what it says on the tin, water based. Wash your brushes in water and soap, which is quite good, so you don't need any methylated spirits. I think it says dries in 30 minutes and recoat in an hour. So to be honest, that's been on about 10 minutes. It's virtually dry already. So if I do want to put another coat on, I can do, but I need to do a bit of filling first. But yeah, definitely worth having. I think it was about 13, 14 quid that. And it goes a long way.
Where did you get it from?
Scewfix this. You know, you only use a little bit. So you could buy a big cheap tin. It won't do as good a job. This will save you a load of time and effort really. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Does what it says it does on the tin. Definitely. So if you've got a stain on the ceiling or something that keeps coming through the wall, like felt tip or something, just a real thin coat of this on it will block it, and then you just go over it with some emulsion paint. Yeah, so it's quite a useful thing to have around the house. Hope that helps somebody.